Hi, my loves y amores. Today we're ranking 10 lip glosses. But here's the twist. I can only say yes or no, no in between. Now we have drugstore, we have viral and luxury lip glosses. Now let's see which ones actually deliver. This is the Dior Lip Maximizer in the icy blue. Now let's try it. Now this one has hyaluronic acid for hydration and menthol for plumping. Now it looks really pretty, but for the price, I'm actually gonna have to say no. We're gonna need a little more than tingle and shine to purchase this product. Next is the Revlon Glimmer Lip Gloss in the indigo blue. And let's try this one. Ooh. Packed with vitamin E, antioxidants, and loads of shimmer, this is skincare meets makeup. And I'm gonna actually have to say yes to this one. I feel that it is a drugstore product that actually feels like luxury. This is the Estee Lauder meets Lauder in the Sakura color. Now let's try it. And now this was in a trio and all three colors looked really beautiful on the lips. Now this has oil infused butters and maximum hydration. And I have to say, not only does it have gorgeous packaging, but it looks beautiful on the lips. So this one is a yes. This is the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the Taurus. Now let's try it. Now this one has argan and shimmer particles, and although it looks really pretty on the lips and it's super affordable, I did have to reapply a couple of times and my lips became sticky. And for that, it's a no. This is the Flower Nose Midsummer Gloss. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but this was extremely flimsy. Now this has shea butter and various silicones, but the major thing was the brush. The application was just terrible and super flimsy. I wanted this to live up to the fairy tale, but it did not. So I'm saying no to this one. This is the e.l.f. Glow Lip Reviver, and let's try her. Loves, not only is this one called Crystal Pearl, but it also has jojoba oil, shimmer particles, and vitamin E. And look at the way that it looks on the lips. It is not only affordable, but the payoff is absolutely beautiful. And that's why we're saying yes to this one. Now, this is the Fenty Oil Gloss in the Fenty Glow. And let's try her. Now this one has shea butter, vitamin E, and I have to say the payoff is amazing. It feels really hydrating and very luxurious on the lips. Now this is viral for a reason because we're giving this a yes. Rihanna, she always delivers. This is the Beauty Creations Times Barbie Lip Oil in the Unstoppable. Now let's try this. Now this lip oil has basic oils and pigment for tint. And although I really like the way the pigment looked on the lips, I had a huge problem with the packaging. It leaked and it dripped. Almost all of this came out in my bag, and for that reason, we are saying no. This is the P. Louise Lip Drip in Call Girl, and let's try this one. Now this one has jojoba oil, hydrating oils, it has fragrance, and it has a pigment for color. And I have to say, it is absolutely stunning. The shimmer, the glitter, the way that it feels on the lips is just stunning. Absolutely one of my favorites. And I have to say, for it being hyped up, it is totally worth it. This is a yes. Lastly, we have the Chanel Cocoa Gloss in the 722. And let's try this. This one has sunflower seed oils, coconut oils, and it just feels so hydrating and glossy on the lips. And truly one of my all-time favorites, if not my most favorite lip gloss. It is chic with the packaging, it looks super glossy, it feels hydrating, it's long-lasting, and for those reasons, this is a definite yes. Okay, loves, that is 10 lip glosses ranked. Now we ended up with 6 yeses and 4 nos. And honestly, I thought we would see more flops, which is actually good to see in our industry. Now, let me know which ones you would keep and which ones you would say no to. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Los amo. Mwah!